The moderating effect of organizational culture on the relationship between information technology capability and firm performance, and empirical evidence from Lagos State, Nigeria. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Oil and gas marketing organizations around the world are faced with the challenge of maintaining a greater market share among competitors in the oil and gas industry. Due to organizational culture rigidity and inadequate adoption of information technology competence in their organizations, most business managers in Nigeria's oil and gas marketing industry find it difficult to consistently achieve increases in performance in terms of market share. As a result, the moderating effect of organizational culture on the link between information technology capacity and performance of oil and gas marketing enterprises in Lagos State, Nigeria, was explored in this study. The survey research design was used in this study. In Lagos State, Nigeria, the target population consisted of 515 oil and gas marketing and retail shops. The method used was entire enumeration. The analysis indicated that there is a significant and positive relationship between information technology capability and market share of oil and gas marketing companies in Lagos State, Nigeria, and that organizational culture significantly moderates the relationship between information technology capability and market share. According to the findings, there is a link between information technology capability and market share. Furthermore, the relationship between information technology competency and market share is moderated by organizational culture. In today's highly competitive oil and gas industry, especially in developing regions like Africa, companies face serious challenges in maintaining and increasing their market share. One of the key issues is the lack of strong information technology (IT) capability, which limits their ability to adapt to rapid changes in the industry. In Nigeria, many oil and gas marketing firms struggle due to poor IT infrastructure and a rigid organizational culture that resists change. This has resulted in a steady decline in market share, particularly in the upstream sector, with countries like Ghana and Angola gaining ground. While globalization and open markets push firms to innovate and evolve, many Nigerian firms remain unable to respond effectively to regulatory changes and technological advancements. This study focuses on companies in Lagos State and explores how IT capability influences their market share. It also looks at how organizational culture can either strengthen or weaken this relationship. The study highlights the urgent need for Nigerian oil and gas marketing firms to invest in IT and adopt more flexible, adaptive cultural practices in order to survive and compete in a dynamic industry. The findings aim to guide decision-makers in improving performance and staying relevant in the market. This study found that information technology (IT) capability plays an important role in helping oil and gas marketing companies in Lagos State, Nigeria, improve their market share. It also discovered that the way a company's culture operates can strengthen or weaken the impact of IT on market share. Based on these findings, the study recommends that companies should invest more in IT systems and make sure they are properly used and maintained. Being aware of customer needs and reacting quickly to changes in the market can help these firms stay ahead of the competition. Building strong IT capabilities can also support the overall growth of the company's abilities. To gain a larger share of the market, companies must also create flexible and innovative cultures that encourage the use of modern technology. Encouraging innovation and adopting new technologies can lead to better performance and help oil and gas companies succeed in a competitive industry. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.